Hey Pratyus, I've made you the host, so you can start whenever you're ready.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll be doing with today we'll be learning 3D. So 3D is very much similar to vector problems. When we solve 3D, we will go through mostly about the vector things. So what is a position vector? It is I vector, J vector, and K vector. So what is 3D? It is in 3 dimension. This is Y, this is X, and this is Z. Now let's suppose if we have a point, if we have a particular point, which is like X, Y, Z. This is a point, X, Y, Z. Now this region is called as XY plane. This region is called as YZ plane. And this region is called as ZX plane. Okay. Now, this point XYZ, if we have to represent in XY plane, so it will be X, Y, and Z will be minus Z. Okay. X, Y, and Z will be minus Z. If the same point, if we have to represent in YZ plane, it will be minus X, Y, and Z. In this plane, in ZX plane, it will be X minus Y and Z plane. So particular term, like in XY plane, Z will be negative. In YZ plane, X will be negative, and ZX plane, Y will be negative. Okay, guys. Any doubt, anyone? So this is the representation of a point in a different plane in a 3D. So direction cosine of a line. If a line makes an angle alpha, beta, and gamma with x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, respectively, then so with x, y, and z, what is the angle? Angle is cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. Okay. What is direction cosine? L square. So this is only called as direction cosine. So it is L square plus M square plus N square is always equal to 1. So this is a very important result. L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. This is a very important result for this. Coming to a distance formula. So if 2 points are given, point A is like x1, y1, z1, and point B is given as x2, y2, and z2. Point B is given as x2, y2, and z2. So what is P of, like, what is A, B? What is AB vector? It will be B to A, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, I, j, k. What is AB vector? Mod. What is the mod for this? Root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So if you remember straight line, this is very much similar to the straight line, correct? In a straight line, we have only till here. We have only 2 points, 2 dimensions, x and y. But in 3D, we have 3 dimensions, correct? Now let's suppose if I have to find a unit vector of AI vector, AI plus BJ plus CK. Let's suppose this is a vector, we have to find a unit vector of AI plus BJ plus CK. So what will be the unit vector for this? Whole divided by root under A square plus B square plus C square. So what is direction ratio for this? What is direction ratio for this? Direction ratio is A comma B comma C. This is the direction ratio. What is direction cosine? It is A divided by root under A square plus B square plus C square. B divided by root under A square plus B square plus C square, as well as C divided by root under A square plus B square plus C square. So this is the direction cosine for this one. I hope you are able to understand what is direction ratio and what is direction cosine. Direction ratio is the coefficient of the vector, and direction cosine is the coefficient of unit vector. Okay. Any doubt? Now coming to the section formula as it is given here in this slide. What is section formula here? Now, section formula we have studied in a straight line again. It is like point. So x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Let's suppose we have to find this P. This is something like x, y, and z. And the ratio is given m is to n. Then what is the value of x? X is m into, this is x2, m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. What is y? So what is y? Similarly, m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n, and so on. Okay. So this is what the section formula. Now we have the next one, that is midpoint. What is the midpoint? If m and n, if m is to n equal to 1, so that is called as 1 is to 1. So that is called as midpoint. So for midpoint, Here m value will be 1, 1 is gone, so it is x1 plus x2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is midpoint. Centroid, 3 different points on the equidistance from each other. Okay, certain point which is equidistance from each other. This is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. So that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So that is midpoint. Okay, that is centroid, correct. Next, we have the direction ratio of a line. What is the direction ratio? We have just studied what is the direction ratio and what is direction cosine, correct? Now, angle between two lines. Angle between two lines is very important. That is cos theta equal to L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. What is L1? What is L1, L2, L1, M1, and N1? This is nothing but direction cosine. So L1, M1, N1 is direction cosine. L2, M2, N2 is direction cosine of the second line. So direction cosine of the first line and direction cosine of the second line, if we take the multiplication of that, that is cos theta. Now, if it's perpendicular, means theta equal to 90 degree. If it is perpendicular, means theta equal to 90 degree. If theta is 90 degree, cos 90 is 0. So all this value will be equal to 0, correct? Next one we have parallel. If it is parallel, theta equal to 0 degree. If theta is 0 degree, we will get this equal to 1. So better is L1 by L2 equal to M1 by M2 equal to N1 by N2. Fine. Now, a straight line in the space. This is also very much similar to the straight lines only. What is straight line formula? Y equal to mx plus c. So here it is r equal to r1 vector plus lambda m vector. So r1 is the position vector and m vector is the given vector. What is the Cartesian form for this? X minus x1 divided by x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. So it is a, b, and c. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? So what is r vector? R vector is r1 vector plus lambda r2 minus r1 vector. Any doubt, anyone? So x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1. Very much similar to the straight line. So this is another one, which is like shortest distance between two lines. So this formula is very much important, like D equal to A2 minus A1 vector dot B1 cross B2 vector all divided by mod of B1 cross B2 vector. Okay. Now, obviously, if this two line intersects, means B will be 0, correct? So the numerator part is 0. Now, if it is a two parallel lines, if it is in between two parallel lines, then it is like B cross A2 minus A1 and all. Okay, so that's the formulas and all. We'll directly now start solving the problems. Try to solve the first one, question number 1, everyone. Try to solve question number 1. So what is the answer? Anyone who's got the answer? So this is like 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus minus 6 into 2 all divided by 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So how much is that? 3 plus 4 is 7 and minus 12. So it is minus 5 minus 5 mod. And here we are getting 36 plus 4 is 40 plus 9, 49 is 7. Square root of 49 is 7. And here we are getting 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So answer is 5 by 21. So it is cos theta equal to 5 by 21. So what is theta equal to? Cos inverse 5 by 21. So answer for this question is option C, cos inverse 5 by 21. Any doubt, anyone? Try to solve question number 2. Try to solve question number 2, everyone. Okay, so here the direction ratio of the two lines ABC, B minus C, C minus A, and A minus B. So ABC is there, so it is like A into B minus C plus B into C minus A plus C into A minus B, whole divided by A square plus B square plus C square, B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square plus C minus B, sorry, A minus B whole square. So cos theta equal to so much. How much is this equal to? It is AB minus AC, AB minus AC plus BC minus AB plus BC minus AB plus AC minus BC. Now, if you see here, this entire terms, you see it is like AB cancels AB, AC cancels AC, and BC cancels BC. So this entire term is equal to 0. Now, if cos theta equal to 0, what is theta equal to? 90 degree, correct? So 90 degree means answer is option B, that is pi by 2. Any doubt, anyone? Guys, do you have any doubt? Try to solve this one. Question number 3, please. So what is the answer for this one? The angle between the lines so answer will be 2 into minus 1. So this 2 into minus 1 plus 7 into 2 plus minus 3 into 4 whole divided by 2 square plus 7 square plus 3 square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 4 square. So how much we are getting? Minus 2 plus 14 minus 12 whole divided by whatever. So minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14 and 14 is 0. So again cos theta, we are getting it as 0. So what is theta equal to? Again 90 degree. So answer of this question is also option C, that is 90 degree. Any doubt, anyone? Guys, any doubt? Try to solve the next one, question number 4. What is the answer for question number 4, guys? So what is the answer? So these are perpendicular. Then what is the value of k? So if it is perpendicular, it is like minus 3 into 3k plus 2k into 1 plus 2 into minus 5. And since it is perpendicular, so cos theta will be 90 degree. 90 degree is 0, correct? So this is equal to 0. So this is minus 9k plus 2k plus 10, sorry, minus 10 equal to 0. So here minus 7k equal to minus 10 equal to 10. So what is k equal to? Minus 10 by 7. So question number 4. What is the answer? Option D, that is minus 10 by 7. Anyone has got any doubt? Guys, do you have any doubt? Try to solve question number 5. So what is the answer for question number 5? So line, first of all, we'll find the equation of the line. So it is like A to B, 2 minus 1, 4. This is 1, 2, minus 2. So if I write AB vector, how much it will be? 1 minus 2 is minus 1 I. 2 minus of minus is plus 3 J. And this minus this is minus 6 K. Correct? So this is AB vector. So what is the required equation of the line? It is like x minus 2 by this value, that is minus 1, 3, minus 6. So minus 1, direction cosine. So minus 1 is equal to y minus 3 y plus 1 all divided by 3 and z minus 4 all divided by minus 6. So answer is option D, none of these. Try to solve question number 6, please. Everyone, please try to solve question number 6, please. What is your confusion? Suyog? Suyog, what is your confusion?
So actually, I am stuck in a step. So can you start the solution?
Yeah. See. So what is the direction ratio of both? 2, 2, 1, correct? And it is 4, 1, 8. So that is the direction ratio of both of them, correct? So how we find cos theta? 2 into 2, 2 into 4 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 8. All divided by 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square root into again 4 square plus 1 square plus 8 square. So how much we are getting it here? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus this is 64. That is 81, correct? Square root is 9. So this is 2. So cos theta equal to 2 by 3. So what is theta equal to? Cos inverse 2 by 3. So answer is option C. You understood, Suyog? Okay, no problem. Try to solve question number 7, please. This is the position vector, and this is the line, the equation of the line, and the same thing is about this one, correct? So this is the vector around which this line is parallel and all. So we have to consider this one. So what is the answer? Again, cos theta equal to 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 5 plus minus 2 into minus 4, whole divided by 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. And here this side we have 3 square plus 5 square plus 4 square. So what is the answer we are getting it here? 3 plus 5 plus 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So root 6. 25 plus 16 plus 9. 25 plus 16. 41 plus 9 is root 50. So how much we are getting it here now? 8, 8, 16. From here, if I take 25 common, so 25 means 5 out. It will become root 2 and root 2 will be root 2 and root 3. So what is the answer? 8 by 5 root 3. Now if I multiply it with root 3 and root 3, this will be 8 root 3 by 15. 8 root 3 by 15 we have in the option A. So answer of this question, question number 7 is option A. Any doubt, anyone? Try to solve question number 8, please. Try to solve question number 8. A line is perpendicular to two lines having the direction ratios A line is perpendicular to two lines having direction ratios 1, -2, and 0 to 1. The direction cosine of the lines are so question number 8. Let's suppose the first equation is like a minus 2b minus 2c equal to 0. And the second equation is 2b plus c equal to 0. Now, if you solve this equation, it is like a, b, c. Here it is 1 minus 2. And this one is minus 2. Here it is 0, 2, and 1. So what is the value of a? You are getting it here. A will be minus 2, and minus of minus will become plus 4. B will get it as minus b 1, and C will get it as 2. So here we'll get it as A as 2, B as minus 1, C as 2. So what is the direction ratio for this? Direction ratio for this is like 2, minus 1, and 2. So what is the component? What is the mod of this one? This is like 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is 3. So what is the answer? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 as well as 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Answer is option C. Okay, so you understood? Try to solve this one. Yeah, you can go through the question number 7. So you just have to take this part. Because this is the position vector, correct? And this is the line around which line this equation is actually passing by, correct? Slope of the line. So question number 9. Is a direct question only, correct? Like, what is the equation of the line? R1 vector, this is the position vector. plus lambda m vector. This is the vector which around which this line is parallel, correct? So what is this vector? R vector. Position vector is 5i minus 2j plus 4k. And the next one, parallel vector, is 2i minus j plus 3k. So this option is 5 minus 2 plus 4, 2 minus 1, 3. So answer is option B. Okay. So this was a direct, this question is direct based on the formula. Just have to put the values, that's it. Any doubt, anyone? Try to solve question number 10, please. So line passing through the point is, so what is the position vector here? Position vector will be 1, -2, and 5. So 1, -2, and 5. This is R1 vector. Equation is R vector equal to R1 vector plus lambda m vector. So what is m vector? Two, 3, and -1. So what is the answer? Answer is option D. That is none of these. It will be minus. So that's the reason answer is, here it is plus. So it can't be C. Sorry, here it is -4. So this can't be C. Here this one is okay, but here it is -5 and -1. So that can't be. So answer is option D. That is none of these. Try to solve question number 11, please. What will be the vector equation of this line? -2, 4, -5, -2, 4, -5. So this is the point, correct? -2, 4, -5. That's happening in this one, as well as 3, 5, and 6. But here it is -3. So what is the answer again? Answer is option D. That is none of these. Yeah, tell me, Suyog, what's the doubt?
So this, can you explain to me once again about this position vector and that direction ratios? I didn't
See,
understand
R
so much.
vector equal to R1 vector plus lambda. This is the position. So here the position means the point, correct? So it is passing through this point. So here it is like -2i plus 4j minus 5. So that is happening only in the option B, correct? So option C and option A is not possible. Now after that, we have, this is the direction ratio, correct? Of the line which is parallel. ABC. This is nothing but ABC, which is the direction ratio of the line, which is parallel to this line, this vector line. Okay. So what is that? It is 3, 5, and 6. So it should be 3. Since it is -3, that's the reason this is not the answer. Okay.
Then question number 9. So once again, can you explain?
Line passing through the point. So again, the point is 5, -2, 4, correct? Parallel to the vector 2, I, J3. The same value, correct?
So
You understood? Suyog?
still confused, sir.
Huh?
Still confused, sir.
What is the confusion? Tell me.
That
You
which
understand
one
like
to
this.
take?
This is point. The first one is the point. Second one is the vector around which this is going to be parallel. So question
Yes,
number
sir.
9, you understood?
Question number 9, yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question number 11. If I have to write this vector, which is the point here? The point is -2i plus 4j minus 5,
Yes,
correct?
yes, sir.
Plus lambda. Now I want position vector, correct? Sorry, parallel vector. So
Parallel
for
vector.
parallel vector, we have to take denominator part of this, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it is 3i plus 5j plus
Plus
6.
6. Yes, sir.
Now this 3i plus 5j plus 6k we don't have here. We don't have here. So we have only in this case. But in this case, this is positive, correct?
Yes, sir.
But here it is
-3.
-3. That's the reason it is not the answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If it was +3, then I would have told that this is the correct answer. Okay. Try to solve this question number 12. Question number 12, what is the answer? See, if 2 points are there, what is the equation of the line? It is x minus 5 whole divided by 5 minus 3 equal to y minus 1, z minus 6, 1 minus 4, 6 minus 1. This is all equal to lambda. Okay, that is like the slope. See, lambda here you should consider it in a normal way. You can consider it as a slope only. So it is like x2 minus x1 divided by x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2 and so on. So how much is this? X minus 5 divided by 2 equal to y minus 1 divided by minus 3 equal to z minus 6 divided by minus 5 equal to lambda. Now, what is the value of x? X equal to x minus 5 by 2 equal to lambda. Y minus 1 divided by minus 3 equal to lambda. Z minus 6 divided by minus 5 equal to lambda. So x minus 5 equal to 2 lambda. So what is x equal to? 2 lambda plus 5, correct? Similarly, what is the value of y? Minus 3 lambda plus 1. Z equal to minus 5 lambda plus 6. Now it is given that the coordinate of the point, it is just in YZ plane. If it is in YZ plane means x equal to 0, correct? That's the reason in options also, if you see x equal to 0, the first term is 0. So if the first term is 0, if x equal to 0, so it is 2 lambda plus 5. So if it is 2 lambda plus 5 and x equal to 0, then what is lambda? Lambda is equal to minus 5 by 2, correct? Lambda equal to minus 5 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So what is y equal to? 5 3s are 15, 15 by 2, and it is plus 15 plus 2 is 17 by 2. So second is 17 by 2. What about z? This is 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 5 5s are 25. Sorry, 6 minus 1 is 5 only, no? So this is minus 25 by 2 plus 6. 6 2s are 12, 12 minus 13 by 2. So answer is 0, 17 by 2 minus 13 by 2. So answer is option C. So for answer for this problem is option C. Try to solve this one. Question number, no, that is not none. It is option C, no.
Sorry, sir, calculation mistake.
Try to solve question number 13, please. The vector equation of x-axis is given by so it is like x minus 0 by 1 equal to y minus 0 by 0 and z minus 0 by 0. So it will be, and this is equal to lambda. So x equal to lambda. X equal to lambda means what? Is lambda I. So answer is option C. See, basically it is like, it is going through only one direction, correct? It is moving in this direction. On this direction, it will be moving only in the I component, correct? So x equal to lambda I. Okay, guys. Any doubt? What is the answer for this one? What is vector equation? So position is -2 plus 1 minus 3. -2 sorry, it will be 2 minus 1 and 3. 2 minus 1 and 3. And the next one is 2, 3 and minus 2. 2, 3 and minus 2. So answer is option B. The angle between two lines having direction ratio this and this is question number 15. So what is the answer? 1 into root 3 minus 1 plus 1 into minus root 3 minus 1 plus 2 into 4 whole divided by 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square root into root 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 4 whole square. So this is root 3 minus 1 minus root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus root 3 is 0. Minus 1 is minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Whole divided by, this is root 6 into, this is root 24, which is 1 by 2. Cos theta 1 by 2, cos theta equal to 1 by 2. What is theta equal to? Theta equal to pi by 3, correct? So answer is option C. Okay, guys. The straight line, this is parallel to x-axis, parallel to z-axis, parallel to y-axis, perpendicular to z-axis. What is the answer for question number 16? Question number 16, since it is Z part is 0, means the last part is 0, so it should be parallel to Z axis. Okay, sorry. See, what component is 0? Cos gamma equal to 0, correct? Means what? Gamma equal to 90 degree. So it is actually, option is perpendicular to Z axis. There is a direction cosine for this line, correct? What is the answer for this one? Question number 18. If the given lines are parallel, for parallel, what is the condition? Option B, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Any doubt, anyone? So, Yogya, any doubt? Okay, so thank you guys.